Hello students, welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 7B. Okay, exercise 7A is now completed. So exercise 7B we are going to start today, and in this exercise we are going to study HCF, LCM by different methods. So are you ready for it? Shall I start today's class? Okay, so question number 1 says find the HCF of the following by listing factors. Find the HCF by listing factors. Okay, by listing factors means now students, listing factor is the name of the method. There are basically three methods. There are three methods to find HCF. Number one is listing factors. Number two is prime factorization, and number three is common division. These are the three methods. So first of all we have to learn the first method, whose name is listing factors. Okay, so shall I start today's class? So question 1 says find HCF by listing factors. Okay, listing factors, and part A is 24, 28 and 36. So we have to find the factors of 24, 28 and 36 first. Now I am going to teach you how to find the factors of a given number. So first of all we have to find the factors of 24. So we will start with 1. Each and every question we have to start with 1. Okay, so 1 should be multiplied by 24 to get 24. Okay, 1 into 24 is equal to 24. Then 2 into what is equal to 24? By which number shall I multiply to 2 to get 24? So of course 12, because 12 was 2s are 24. Then 3 will be multiplied by what number to get 24? 3 8s are 24. Okay, then 4, 6 are 24. But if we talk about 5, so 5, 24 is not in the table of 5. 24 is not in the table of 5, so leave 5. Now 6 4s are 24, but we have already written 6 here, so we will not repeat 6. Okay, 6 is already written, so now we will stop here. Now what are the factors of 24? 1 is the factor of 24, then 2 is the factor of 24, then 3 is the factor of 24, then 4 is the factor of 24, then 6 is the factor of 24, then 8 is the factor of 24, and then 12 is the factor of 24, and then 24 is the factor of 24. So this is the method by which we are going to solve, we are going to find the factors of a given number. Is it clear? Students, so now we have got the factors of 24. Now we are going to find the factors of 28. Okay, so what are the factors of 28 now? So write 28. So start with 1. 1 into 28 is equal to 28. 2 into 14 is equal to 28. 3 in 3 in these tables 28 doesn't come. So 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Then 5 in 5's table 28 doesn't come. Then 6 in 6 tables also 28 doesn't come. So the next number is 7, and 7 we have already written here. So stop here. and the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So write 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors of 28. Now next we have to write the factors of 36. So how are we going to write the factors of 36? We will do the same thing which we have done in the previous two numbers. First we will write 1 into 36 is equal to 36. Then 2 is 2 into 18. Oh, because 18 twos are 36. Okay. Then 3 into 12 is equal to 36. Then 4 into 9 is equal to 36. And in 5 table 36 doesn't come. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Okay. Now 6 is being repeated. So stop here. And what are the factors of 36? 1 is there, 2 is there, comma 3 is there, comma 4, comma 6, and don't repeat any number. Okay, we don't have to repeat any number. Then 9, then 12, then 18, then 36. So these are the factors of. Now we have to find the HCF. So HCF is the common factor. HCF is the highest common factor. H means highest. C stands for common and F stands for factor. So the full form is HCF is highest common factor. So which is the highest common factor? Which are the numbers which are common in 24, 28 and 36? So as you can see, 4 is there in the factor of 24 and 4 is there in the factor of 28 and 4 is there in the factor of 36. And this is the highest common factor. After 4 there is no common factor which is there in all three numbers, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Because 4 is the highest common factor. If we talk about 6, then 6 is not there in 28. If we talk about 8, 8 is neither in 28 nor in 36. So 4 is the common factor. So we will say that HCF is equal to 4. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now we will do one more example, one more question. See, 18, comma 36, comma 48. Okay. Now find the factor of 18. Find the factor of 18, factor of 36 and factor of 18, 48. So factor of 18 I have written earlier. Okay. Okay. I have to do. So 1 into 18 is equal to 18. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Then 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Then in 4 table 18 doesn't come, 5 and 6 is here already written, so stop here. So the factor of 18 is what? 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 6, comma 9, comma 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors. Now factors of 36, factors of 36 we have already written here. These are the factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 12, 18 and 36. Now factors of 48. So 1 into 48 is equal to 48. 2 into 24 is equal to 48. 3 into 16 is equal to 48. 4 into 12 is equal to 48. Then 6, 8 is 48. Okay. And in 7th table 48 doesn't come. So after that 8 is there, but 8 is already written. So stop here. So the factors of 48 is 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6. Okay, comma 6, comma 8, comma 12, comma 16 and 24 and 48. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to see which factor is common, and that should be the highest factor. If we talk about 9, then 9 is there in the factor of 36 also, but it is not there in the factor of 48. Then if we talk about 6, so 6 is there as well as here also. So the HCF is 6. Okay. Now you will say, sir, 3 HCF could also be possible. HCF could be 3 also, but 3 is not the HCF because we have to see the highest number, and the highest number is 6. That is why the factor is 6. Okay. This was question 1 of exercise 7B. Now I'm going to explain question 2. Find the HCF of the following by prime factorization method. Find HCF by prime factorization method. Student, this is the second method which I have told you. As you can see here, prime factorization, this is the second method which we have to do in the second question, part A, 16 and 24. Sorry, 16 and 40. So what you have to do, you have to find the prime factors of 16 and 40. So find the factors of 16. How? 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay. And now 40, for 40, 2 2s are 4 and 0 as it is, 2 1s are 2 and 0 as it is, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So the factor of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2. And factors of 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, and then 5. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now you have to find HCF. So how are you going to find HCF in this? So HCF is very simple. What you have to do, just take the common factors. Common factors means this 2 is common. So I will write only one times. Okay. Then this pair, you have to basically select the pairs. Then this pair, 2 in 2 and 2. Okay. So this is the pair which I am taking. This is the pair I have written. And then this is not the pair, then leave it. Leave it. Okay. Leave this 2 and this 5 because they are not in pair. So what is the HCF now? The HCF is 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8. So the HCF is 8 and this is the answer. So in this way, you are going to find the HCF of the given question. So what you have to do, students, you have to do in question 2, you have to do question 1 means question A, question B, then C, then D, E, only these questions, A, B, C, D, E. You have to do only these questions. And in question 1, you have to do all A, B, and C. So, in question number 1, question A, B, and C you have to do. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now I'm going to explain question 3. Question 3. Find the HCF of the following by long division method. Find the HCF by long division method. So this was the third method which I have told you, common division. Its second name is long division also. Long division method. Okay. So this is also called long division method, which I'm going to tell you. Fine. So this is now question 3 and question A, 320 and 736. In this question, you have to write them with each other and you have to then reduce the given numbers. Okay, so 320 comma 736, and now reduce by 2. So 2 ones are 2, it was 3, so 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 1 and 2 12. Okay, 1 and 2 12, 2 6 are 12, and this 0 as it is. Now 2 3s are 6, it was 7, 1 will come here and it will become 13. So 2 6 are 12, again 1 carry, 16, 2 8s are 16. Okay, now reduce again by 2, 2 8s are 16, and then 0, and 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 16, 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8. Again you can reduce by 2, so 2 4s are 80, 2 4s are 8, and 0 as it is, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 92. Again you can reduce by 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 uh, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. Now again reduce by 2, 2 10s are 20, and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we will stop here. Why? Because the rule in long division method is we have to reduce each and every number with the same number. So every number should be reduced by the same number. But here in this case, 10 and 23 cannot be reduced by any of the same number. Means there is no table, there is no number in which there's no, we can say there's no table in which 10 and 23 both the numbers come. Okay, so there is no number we can reduce 10 and 23 both with the same number. That is why we will stop here. And what will be the HCF? HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So your answer is going to be 32. So you have to do question A, B, and C. Okay, students. And question 4, 5, 6, in which you have to find the LCM, I will tell you in the next video. Till then, do these questions and send it on the group. Thank you.